welcome everyone. Sit back, relax. We have prepared an exciting video for you. Okay, so I'd like you to sit back and relax and chill. Well, I hope you all have enjoyed the video. Let me introduce myself. My name is Linda Ong, and I lead the Undergraduate Career Services Office. You saw my team members in there. We work as a team together, and you were introduced to many of them. And later on in this show, they are going to come up and introduce different activities and how our resources can be provided to you by Career Services Office, the only career services office in NTU for the Nanyang Business School. So we're especially here for you, to help you through your journey. And let's not think about your third or your fourth year, but let's think about your first year. And before I start, because I'm not able to see all of you today, let me ask you, how do you feel about your upcoming internships? You have heard so much about it, and there were so many questions asked about it. And one of the questions asked was, when do we start looking for internships? So let's play a game. Menti, Mira, and I want you to log on. Oh, you are very fast. Some of you have already logged on. Come on, whip up your mobile phones, okay? Because this is the only time that I'm able to know how you're feeling during this orientation. And I'll be able to look at some of the questions that you're asking. Can't wait. Wow, we can't wait to tell you all about career services and how you can tap on us. Excited. I'm super excited. I couldn't sleep last night because I wanted to share so much with you freshmen about the Nanyang Business School Career Services and about school. You are also anxious. Okay, not to worry. I'm like that too. I get anxious because all of you are coming in for the first time. There's so much to do in your student life, and part of it is also your internships. And this is what you're going to be doing in the next few months when the employers are going to be on campus. Nervous, okay? Talk to us, all right? I'm going to show you how you can speak with us and our different career officers and our managers and address some of the career planning that you might want to. And please start in year one. We have many, many resources and activities for you. Doubtful, all right, yeah, okay, I will address some of that as well. How do you get an internship, right? Worried, yeah, the economy is so bad, you just said just now. Clueless, okay, we're gonna give some clues, okay? So stay with me for the next 40 minutes because my team members and myself, we will speak about what career services will be doing for you in Nanyang Business School. Now, this is the part that I'm not technically very good at, and I'm going to be sharing my screen right here. Let me see, where is my screen? Are you able to see the screen?
No, not yet.
Not yet, huh? Okay, sorry about that.
Did you manage to find the share screen button?
Yes, I did. Yeah, but
First step.
yeah, that's right. And I kind of lost it. Okay. Can you see it now?
Not yet.
I think it's loading.
Yeah.
Okay.
Something's happening.
Yeah, I think I have my senior moment. I hope it's loading. Okay, is it loading? It says presenting. Okay, bear with me for 1 more minute.
Linda, maybe you need to stop share and then reload.
All right. Share screen. Okay. Yeah. Okay, share. Okay, no problem. We will have another, we have screen sharing coming up soon. Thank you. That was my senior moment. Okay. So I have a team of career services office team members with me, and there are 8 of us, if you have seen in the career video that was done, and that was done beautifully by Leonard. So we stretch and grow ourselves as well as we want to be able to grow you as well. So when you're starting out in the freshman year, I'm sure you have many, many questions that you want to ask. Okay, so I'm going to talk about internships in 2021. Our students have just finished their internship. Last year, it was the first time our first year students actually did a mandatory internship, and we ran right smack into COVID. Of course, we were also prepared that there will be many employers who are thinking about first year students. But let me tell you, many students last year managed to get their internships and they did very well. They had corporate experience, and 2 of them are invited to share with us in the next coming segment. So you will hear from them. In 2021, many of our students have just finished their internships, and the period is just July, and we worked with at least 500 companies and more. I'm going to show you some of the companies that we work with, and this is what we call summer internships. Now, this may be new to you, but we kind of divided it into different industries. So while you're taking a specialization like banking and finance, you may be looking at professional services or banking and finance. If you're doing an ITP program, which is our international trading program, then you are probably thinking about the agri-commodities industry. But is it for you? You don't really know. And that is why only in NBS, and I think it's the only one in the world, that make the first year internship compulsory. Why? As our professors have said, we would like you to understand about the corporate world as well as get the clarity of your career. Some of the internships were in the public sector. Many of them were also in technology, in companies like Accenture and Shopee, and I'll show you some of these companies that our students got into: energy, petrochemical, shipping and industry. Now let's look at some of the employers. I said we had 500 employers, so I'm not able to show you everyone, but you'll probably be able to recognize some of these brands, and also you probably cannot recognize some of these brands as well. Okay, so these are slogans, right? And these slogans will tell you that there's KPMG, there's EY for professional services, HSBC, which is a bank and have taken our first year students. So these are employers that had took first year students for internships in 2021. OCBC, Diamond Asia, which is a hedge fund, East Springs, and you have MCCY, Housing and Development Board. This would be your statutory board or your government bodies, as well as your actuarial science and insurance companies like Allianz, consulting, Arthur D. Little, Accenture, and your consumer products, Love Bonito, APB is actually Asia Pacific Breweries, Sentosa, etc., etc. So you do have many companies, and I'll show you a few more because I think it's going to take a long time if I show you everyone. So Mina Rini is actually an Italian company, okay? Baxter, in pharmaceutical, Far East organization, large local enterprise. Technology like Shopee, very, very suitable for analytics, first year students or students intending to go into analytics. Students who are intending to go into marketing, you could have a stint in Shopee, because by then, after your internship, you could also decide whether what you would really want to do with your marketing degree or with your business analytics degree. JLL is in real estate. Okay, I'm sure you recognize HP, Gojek, CapitaLand, Aeon Consulting. We have Fragrances, Enterprise Singapore, FairPrice, Nestle, right? So these are all wonderful companies that are very willing to take our first year students, okay? And we also have SMEs and also just newly listed Sunsip, which is a newly listed company, right? So all these companies are waiting and wanting to invite you for internships. And when do they come onto campus? Okay, so let's look at the next slide. They are going to come onto campus very soon. And I also wanted to touch a bit about the overseas internship. Like Prof said, we did have a lot of overseas internships and many opportunities for you, and that was in 2019 and some in 2020. And our students were going to North America, even South America, Middle East, Europe, and closer to home. We also had many students who go to Asia, and as well as far as Africa. Closer to home, which is in Asia, we have the next, we have the companies that are in Cambodia, that are in Myanmar, okay, and this would be the other overseas internships that are being offered. Okay, yeah, so let's look at Asia. Now, the emphasis is going to be on Asia in 2022 and 2023. So there are some remote internships that may be offered to you. And the remote internships could be from India, could be from Cambodia, as well as overseas internship. And we are still in touch very much with all these employers. We're all waiting for the borders to be open. K1 has to be optimistic in Nanyang Business School. And when the borders open, you can be invited for overseas internship. That could be your professional attachment or could be an optional internship. It could be over summer, over winter. So let's look forward to the next few years when you can get a stint abroad. Now, I want to address some of the questions that you had, okay? And I want to show you our career guide, which you saw just now. The NBS Career Guide is just recently printed, okay? And this is especially for first year students. This guide, as you can see, the beautiful covers right there, we have the student life and then you have the corporate life, okay? And all this was students adapting in the time of COVID. On the right side are students who have graduated. already, and they were adapting during the time when they were looking for jobs, and many of them actually have found their job opportunities. This career guide will address a lot of questions that you ask, okay? And the questions will be, what type of internships can I get? What type of specializations should I be choosing? How do I know which industry? What am I? What do I like? And what kind of specialization will fit me? And also, if you can see from where you are sitting now, there is a planning ahead, a step-by-step guide. At the same time, on the right side, okay, there's entrepreneurship at NBS. Okay, if you can see, there's actually Jewel. Jewel is a cafe. It's very well known. Okay, so there are reasons why I don't let you see it so clearly, because you are going to get a copy of the career guide very soon. Okay, so this is like a preview, only especially for first year freshmen. Jewel is actually owned by our alumni, and our alumni is an accountancy alumni. So you actually get to read about entrepreneurs from Nanyang Business School. You will get to read our students who have gone abroad and they had to be agile when they were caught back during the COVID period, when they were overseas. You also get to meet many, many, many alumni in there, of which we have special features of them, and as well as learned about many employers. So I'm sure you're waiting to get your hands on this career guide. It is your 24/7 guide, your go-to guide. And when you're bored, pick it up, introduce it to your friends, and you're going to get very valuable tips in there. When are we going to send it to you? It is during the metric card collection, where our kind colleagues from the undergrad program office will be also giving you a copy of the Nanyang Business School Career Services Office Career Guide 2021, just freshly out printed, especially for you. Okay, so there were so many questions just now, and I really, really thank you for all the questions that were just posted. So I'm just going to answer some common FAQs. Can CSO, Career Service Office, get internships? Yes, we work with many employers locally, especially, and also regionally, who will help us. Okay, so there is Career Services Office at NTU. We also have a Career Services. Can we source for internships on our own? Absolutely, and this is what we encourage. We want you to drive your career. It is a partnership, but you have to drive what you want to do as well. Yes, you can source on your own, and there's just a process for you to do a submission on the internship that you have sourced. And many students actually source their internships overseas, used to be, and also even locally. The school will give you a approval once you submit the appropriate documents, and there's a steering committee that will approve if you also do a self-source internship on your own. So talk to your parents, talk to your relatives, talk to your neighbors, talk to your peers, talk to your friends, okay? And if they say, oh, wow, you're so early, you said, yes, I'm really looking forward to my internship, and this is the time when the employers are also to come down to talk to you. So when these employers are down on campus, I would like you to think about registering for these events, these activities, okay? It's not going to be, it's going to be a marathon in that sense, a marathon, not a 100-meter sprint, because you're here for 3 to 4 years. And in your first year, you will be able to meet many, many recruiters and employers and know what's happening out there in the market. The question that is always asked is, will employers hire year one students? Absolutely. I've shown you the companies that hire year one students. There are about 500 companies that are hiring year one students at this point. Some students are still continuing their internship until next week because they're enjoying it so much. And our employers are also valuing the work that is contributed even by a year one student. So how do we do that to prepare you? There are courses, there are workshops, and we're going to show you some of these activities that you can take part in. When should you when should you start applying for your internship? All right, take a break this week, okay? And then you can start next week, all right? So give yourself some slack, but next week you can start looking at internships. By August, in fact, in 2 weeks' time, we have recruitment events that are happening already. How do you start? We're going to introduce to you Career Fit, where we will be introducing how you can put in your resume, how you can write your resume. I don't know what kind of internships or companies I should apply for. I empathize with you and I feel you, okay? You have many, many choices. So the beauty of it is that you are at freshman year, you do have many choices and many opportunities. The most important thing is you are curious, you are open, and you are also able to understand, and very importantly, the Career Services Office here will be helping you walk through this journey. Okay, we will be helping you and giving you career discussions as well as walking you through your career planning. How to write resume and cover letter, how to ace interviews. Okay, that's when you have to keep in touch with us. Okay, it's in your career guide. It's also on our career feed. These are some of the common questions and answers, but we do have what we call an email box that you can actually write to us, and we will be sending you invitations for events as well as career discussions. Okay, so this is when you will be able to meet my colleagues and my team members for career discussions. Right, and I thank you very much for your time. I know you're all waiting for lunch, but stay on with us. We have freebies, we have lucky draws, and we have a lot of exciting things to let you know and to show you. Thank you so much and have a great orientation week.